everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some useful Marathi to English conversations based on different real life situations. Each conversation has 10 simple sentences and the English translation is given right below each Marathi sentence. This will help you understand the sentences easily and use them confidently in your daily conversations. So, let's get started with our first conversation.
आज तू शाळेमध्ये लवकर का आलास?
Why did you come to school early today? Why did you come to school early today?
आज मला प्रोजेक्ट पूर्ण करायचा आहे.
I have to complete my project today. I have to complete my project today.
तुझा प्रोजेक्ट कुठल्या विषयावर आहे?
What is your project about? What is your project about?
माझा प्रोजेक्ट पर्यावरणावर आहे.
My project is about the environment. My project is about the environment.
तू प्रोजेक्टचे चित्र पूर्ण केलेस का?
Have you completed the pictures for the project? Have you completed the pictures for the project?
हो, मी कालच चित्र पूर्ण केले.
Yes, I completed the pictures yesterday. Yes, I completed the pictures yesterday.
तुला काही मदत हवी आहे का?
Do you need any help? Do you need any help?
हो, मला काही माहिती शोधायची आहे.
Yes, I need to find some information. Yes, I need to find some information.
ठीक आहे, आपण दोघे मिळून शोधूया.
Okay, let's find it together. Okay, let's find it together.
धन्यवाद. तुझी मदत माझ्यासाठी खूप उपयोगी आहे.
Thank you. Your help is very useful to me. Thank you. Your help is very useful to me.
मला काही फळे घ्यायची आहेत.
I want to buy some fruits. I want to buy some fruits.
तुम्हाला कोणते फळे हवी आहेत?
Which fruits do you want? Which fruits do you want?
मला सफरचंद आणि केवी हवी आहेत.
I want apples and kiwis. I want apples and kiwis.
सफरचंद किती किलो देऊ?
How many kilograms of apples would you like? How many kilograms of apples would you like?
1 किलो सफरचंद द्या.
Give me 1 kilogram of apples. Give me 1 kilogram of apples.
आणखी काही हवे आहे का?
Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else?
हो, अर्धा किलो केवीज द्या.
Yes. Give me half kilogram of kiwis. Yes. Give me half kilogram of kiwis.
हे घ्या. अजून काही?
Here you are. Anything else? Here you are. Anything else?
नको, एवढे पुरेसे आहे.
No, that's enough. No, that's enough.
ठीक आहे. तुमचे बिल 150 रुपये झाले.
Okay, your bill is 150 rupees. Okay, your bill is 150 rupees.
तू आज अभ्यास केला का?
Did you study today? Did you study today?
हो, मी सकाळी 2 तास अभ्यास केला.
Yes, I studied for 2 hours in the morning. Yes, I studied for 2 hours in the morning.
आज तू कोणत्या विषयाचा अभ्यास केलास?
Which subject did you study today? Which subject did you study today?
मी आज विज्ञानाचा अभ्यास केला.
I studied science today. I studied science today.
तुला विज्ञान आवडते का?
Do you like science? Do you like science?
हो, मला विज्ञान खूप आवडते.
Yes, I like science very much. Yes, I like science very much.
तुला कोणता धडा कठीण वाटतो?
Which chapter do you find difficult? Which chapter do you find difficult?
मला रासायनिक अभिक्रियांचा धडा थोडा कठीण वाटतो.
I find the chapter on chemical reactions a little difficult. I find the chapter on chemical reactions a little difficult.
तुला हवे असेल तर मी तुला समजावून सांगू शकतो.
If you want, I can explain it to you. If you want, I can explain it to you.
हो, नक्की. मला तुझी मदत हवी आहे.
Yes, definitely. I need your help. Yes, definitely. I need your help.
आपल्याला कुठे बसायचे आहे?
Where should we sit? Where should we sit?
आपण खिडकीजवळ बसूया.
Let's sit near the window. Let's sit near the window.
तुला काय खायचे आहे?
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
मला एक पिझ्झा आणि एक ज्यूस हवा आहे.
I would like a pizza and a juice. I would like a pizza and a juice.
तुला कोणता पिझ्झा आवडतो?
Which pizza do you like? Which pizza do you like?
मला चीज पिझ्झा आवडतो.
I like cheese pizza. I like cheese pizza.
ठीक आहे, मीही तोच घेतो.
Okay, I'll have the same. Okay, I'll have the same.
आपण आधी ऑर्डर देऊया.
Let's place the order first. Let's place the order first.
ठीक आहे, मी वेटरला बोलावतो.
Okay, I'll call the waiter. Okay, I'll call the waiter.
छान, मग आपण जेवणाचा आनंद घेऊया.
Great, then let's enjoy our meal. Great, then let's enjoy our meal.
अरे अचानक एवढा जोराचा पाऊस सुरू झाला.
Oh, it suddenly started raining so heavily. Oh, it suddenly started raining so heavily.
हो, आणि मी छत्रीही आणलेली नाही.
Yes, and I didn't bring an umbrella either. Yes, and I didn't bring an umbrella either.
माझ्याकडे छत्री आहे, आपण दोघे त्याखाली जाऊया.
I have an umbrella. Let's go under it together. I have an umbrella. Let's go under it together.
पण रस्ता पूर्णपणे पाण्याने भरला आहे.
But the road is completely filled with water. But the road is completely filled with water.
मग आपण थोडा वेळ इथेच थांबूया.
Then let's wait here for a while. Then let's wait here for a while.
माझ्या घरी फोन करून उशीर होणार आहे हे सांगायला हवे.
I should call home and tell them I'll be late. I should call home and tell them I'll be late.
तुझा फोन दे, माझ्या फोनची बॅटरी संपली आहे.
Give me your phone. My phone's battery is dead. Give me your phone. My phone's battery is dead.
धन्यवाद, तू नेहमीच माझ्या मदतीला येतोस.
Thank you. You always help me. Thank you. You always help me.
मग मित्र कशासाठी असतात?
That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for.
वाटतंय पाऊस आता थोडा कमी झाला आहे. चला निघूया.
I think the rain has slowed down a little. Let's go. I think the rain has slowed down a little. Let's go.
तुझी परीक्षेची तयारी कुठपर्यंत आली आहे?
How is your exam preparation going? How is your exam preparation going?
अजून खूप अभ्यास बाकी आहे.
I still have a lot of studying left. I still have a lot of studying left.
कोणता विषय तुला सर्वात कठीण वाटतो?
Which subject do you find the most difficult? Which subject do you find the most difficult?
मला गणिताचा अभ्यास करायला जास्त वेळ लागतो.
I need more time to study mathematics. I need more time to study mathematics.
आज आपण एकत्र अभ्यास करूया का?
Shall we study together today? Shall we study together today?
हो, त्यामुळे माझ्या काही शंका दूर होतील.
Yes, that will clear some of my doubts. Yes, that will clear some of my doubts.
आधी आपण कठीण धडे पूर्ण करूया.
Let's complete the difficult chapters first. Let's complete the difficult chapters first.
आणि नंतर आपण प्रश्नपत्रिका सोडवूया.
And then let's solve a question paper. And then let's solve a question paper.
ही खूप चांगली कल्पना आहे.
That's a very good idea. That's a very good idea.
चला मग वेळ वाया न घालवता सुरुवात करूया.
Then let's start without wasting any time. Then let's start without wasting any time.
ट्रेन किती वाजता आहे?
What time is the train? What time is the train?
ट्रेन 7:15 आहे.
The train is at 7:15. The train is at 7:15.
अरे आता तर 7 वाजले आहेत.
Oh, it's already 7 o'clock. Oh, it's already 7 o'clock.
हो, आपल्याला लवकर प्लॅटफॉर्मवर जायला हवे.
Yes, we should get to the platform quickly. Yes, we should get to the platform quickly.
तुझ्याकडे तिकीट आहे ना?
You have the ticket, right? You have the ticket, right?
हो, पण माझे तिकीट कुठे ठेवले ते आठवत नाही.
Yes, but I don't remember where I kept my ticket. Yes, but I don't remember where I kept my ticket.
तुझी बॅग एकदा तपास.
Check your bag once. Check your bag once.
हो, इथे आहे. मला वाटले ते हरवले.
Yes, here it is. I thought I had lost it. Yes, here it is. I thought I had lost it.
चला आता पटकन जाऊया.
Come on, let's go quickly. Come on, let's go quickly.
हो, नाहीतर आपली ट्रेन चुकणार.
Yes, otherwise we'll miss our train. Yes, otherwise we'll miss our train.